Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase Wallet app and wondering how to buy Zinu on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Zinu on the Coinbase Wallet. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar right here at the top. Now tap on it. Then type Zinu just like this and search for it. Now here you can find all of the Zinu coins right here. Now to buy it, simply tap onto one of these that you are interested in just like this. Then to buy it, here you can find the buy option right here. Now tap on it. One thing to remember, if you need to buy it, you need to have the funds in your Coinbase Wallet app. And if you don't have it, you cannot buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Zinu on the Coinbase Wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.